Hello, crypto fam. Let me start with something simple. Web3 is powerful, but let's be honest, it can be annoying to use. Too many steps, too many clicks, and you have to do everything yourself. Now imagine if AI could handle some of that work for you. That's what Warden Protocol is trying to do. Warden Protocol, with its token called WARD, is basically a new blockchain built to let AI do things for you inside Web3 apps. Things like actions, tasks, and decisions that usually take time and effort. The idea is simple. You tell the system what you want, and AI helps make it happen. The project started trading in January 2026, and it raised around $4 million from builders who believe in this idea. But the money is not the most important part. What really matters is what they're building. They want apps that don't just wait for you to click buttons, but actually help you get things done. Warden is built as a layer 1 blockchain, but don't overthink that. All it means is that it's the base system where apps and AI can work together safely. Developers can add AI agents into their apps, so tasks can happen automatically. Things like following instructions, executing actions, or setting up simple workflows without you watching every step. One thing I like is that they focus on safety and transparency. The AI is not doing random things. Everything can be checked on chain, which is important when money is involved. They also want the community to be part of it, so there are rewards, airdrops, and trading programs for early users. The WARD token is used for voting, fees, and rewards. There is an airdrop coming, and the project is getting attention from exchanges, which is why more people are starting to talk about it. This is not a promise of anything, it's just explaining why it's on the radar. So why should you care? Because AI and crypto are moving toward a future where things just work with less effort. Warden is trying to build that middle layer where AI actually helps normal users instead of making things more complicated. If Web3 is ever going to feel easy, projects like this matter. As always, do your own research and don't follow hype. But if you're curious about AI automation and where crypto is going next, Warden Protocol is worth knowing about. Bye guys, hope you gained a better understanding.